Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to cover all the details of the new Hyundai Alcazar 6 or 7 seat SUV, which is essentially an extended version of the Hyundai Creta SUV. Hyundai India has finally released the official images of the exterior and interior of the new Alcazar, along with an official document containing the specification and features of this new SUV. Apart from releasing these images and documents, Hyundai India has also officially begun taking the bookings for this new Alcazar SUV with a token amount of Rs 25,000. And going by these released information, it is also clear that the new Alcazar is likely to be launched by the 18th of June this month. For now, let's take a look at all the details of this new Hyundai Alcazar SUV. First of all, let's talk about the variants. The Hyundai Alcazar will be available in 6 variants, namely the Signature, Signature Optional, Prestige, Prestige Optional and the Platinum, Platinum Optional. All these variants are available with either the 2-liter petrol engine or the 1.5-liter diesel engine. And both these engines have an automatic transmission option as well. The entry-level Signature variant is available with only a 6-speed manual transmission on both engine options, that too only with a 6-seat configuration. The Signature Optional variant, on the other hand, offers only an automatic transmission on both engine options with only a 6-seat configuration. The second-level Prestige variant similarly is available only with a manual transmission option. However, this Prestige variant is available with an option of either 6 seats or 7 seats. That said, the Prestige Optional variant, on the other hand, is available only with an automatic transmission. However, the Petrol Prestige Optional variant is available only with the 6-seating configuration, whereas the Diesel Prestige Optional variant is available only with the 7-seating configuration. Finally comes the Platinum variant, which is available only with a 7-seat configuration and a manual gearbox. And similarly, the Platinum Optional variant is available only with the automatic transmission option and 6-seating configuration. Now talking about the color options, the new Hyundai Alcazar will be available in 6 different body shades, with most of them already seen on the Hyundai Creta. However, being focused as a premium SUV, the Alcazar will not get any bright colors such as the red, orange or blue of the Hyundai Creta. The colors on offer for the Hyundai Alcazar are the Typhoon Silver, Titan Grey, Tiger Brown, Starry Night, Polar White and the Phantom Black. Let's now get into further details of this new Alcazar SUV. Just like the Tata Harrier and the Safari, the new Alcazar will carry forward a lot of design elements from the existing Hyundai Creta. Both these cars are expected to share the very same headlamps, while the front grille on the Alcazar will receive a different treatment so as to differentiate from the 5-seat Creta. The Alcazar will also receive different design 18-inch alloy wheels, while the body shell itself is likely to remain the same as the Creta till the B pillar. It is after the C pillar that this new Alcazar will be receiving an elongated overhang due to the extension of the body to integrate the extra row of seats. The new Alcazar also gets a wraparound effect for the rear windshield with a glossy black treatment for the B pillar, along with a completely different rear fascia compared to the Hyundai Cretas, with the all-new larger LED tail lamps and a chrome beam connecting the tail lamps, also sporting the Alcazar lettering. This new 7-seat Hyundai Creta will also receive longer roof rails along with the shark fin antenna and also the massive panoramic sunroof seen on the existing Creta. The Alcazar will also offer side footsteps integrated into the body as standard across all variants. Talking about the interior, the new Alcazar will carry forward the exact same dashboard design and interior layout as seen on the Hyundai Creta, along with all the features including ventilated seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, and the massive 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. However, the top spec variants of the Hyundai Alcazar will get a tan and black dual-tone interior theme as against to the beige and black seen on the Hyundai Creta. Going by the official images, the new Hyundai Alcazar will also get a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster, which will be larger and more sophisticated than the one seen on the Hyundai Creta, with more customizing options, while also offering a new blind view monitor integrated into this instrument cluster, similar to the one seen on the Kia Seltos. And going by the availability of this new blind view monitor, it is also clear that the new Hyundai Alcazar is likely to get a 360-degree surround view camera, similar to the one seen on the Kia Seltos. Talking about seating, the 6-seater version will come with a unique-looking center console with an integrated armrest and wireless charger running right between the second-row passengers, similar to the one in between the front seats. That said, the regular 7-seat bench seat version will not have the center console and instead offers a foldable center armrest. Irrespective of the seating configuration, the middle row left side seat offers one-touch double-down function for easy ingress and egress into the third row. The third row seats, while not expected to be hugely spacious, will provide sufficient room for children while also providing proper adjustable headrests and 50-50 split folding function. The third row seats of the Hyundai Alcazar are also expected to receive some comfort features, including a separate fan speed control for the AC, reclining function for the seat back, side armrests with cup holders and charging points. On the top spec variants, the new Hyundai Alcazar will get individual foldable trays along with a cup holder and mobile holder on the seat backs of the front seats for the second row passengers. Standard safety features on the new Hyundai Alcazar could include all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD dual airbags, ISOFIX child seat mounts, ESP traction control with hill hold, remote keyless entry and reverse parking sensors. While the top spec variants of the new Alcazar could include 6 airbags, a 360-degree surround view camera and hill descent control. In terms of powertrain options, the new Hyundai Alcazar will get one petrol and one diesel engine option. The petrol engine will be a 2-liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated unit, producing 159 PS of maximum power. However, the diesel unit will be the very same 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, carried over from the Hyundai Creta, and will produce the very same 115 PS of maximum power. Both these engine options will be mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Hyundai India also claims that the Alcazar petrol will do the 0 to 100 km/h dash in under 10 seconds, and also that both the petrol and diesel engines have been tuned and optimized for best performance and efficiency. Stay tuned for our detailed review of the new Hyundai Alcazar SUV after its official launch on June 18th. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new extended 6 or 7 seat version of the Hyundai Creta. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.